page. Now the next topic which we are going to discuss is the different component names and their uses, which we now discuss: title bar, minimize button, maximize button and close button, the functions of three buttons, and then we learn menu bar and then toolbar. And now we are going to show the important component of the Adobe PageMaker, that is toolbox. Toolbox consists of many tools which we are going to use, which we actually learn in this lesson. These are some of the tools which we place and which we are going to learn. Number one, pointer tool, text tool, rotating tool, cropping tool, line tool, constrained line tool, rectangle tool, rectangle frame tool, ellipse tool, ellipse frame tool, polygon tool, polygon frame tool. You can see there are two different components in a different in similar way. See, rectangle tool and rectangle frame tool. So these two tools look like same, but the actual action of the tool is vary. Now hand tool and zoom tool, these are the different tools which we are going to use in the Adobe PageMaker. This toolbox is available in the PageMaker. See here, when this toolbar is not displayed, you can see, go to the window button and select hide tool. The toolbar is now hide. If you want to show the toolbar, go to the window and select show tool. This is a simple method to hide and show the toolbox. The second method is window, go to the window, and so this one is explained here to show and hide the toolbox. Some of the shortcut keys for the toolbox tools are here, which is important, very important. One more question is going to ask from this shortcut. You just memorize these shortcut keys. Next, we are going to discuss about the toolbox usage. What is the use of this tool? Pointer tool. Whenever we select this pointer tool, the cursor, the mouse pointer of the mouse cursor is changed into this shape. This pointer tool is used to select, move, resize text object and the graphics. So if you want to select or move or resize the text object, you should use this pointer tool. Second tool, text tool. Whenever you choose this text tool, the cursor is changed like this, and the use of the text tool is to type, select, edit text. Next, rotating tool, it used to select and rotate objects. Cropping tool, used to trim important graphics. Line tool, draws straight lines in any direction. Constraint line tool, used to draw vertical or horizontal lines. Next, rectangle tool, used to draw squares or rectangles. Rectangle frame tool, used to create rectangular placeholders for text and graphics. So in this tool, we can only draw rectangle shape or square shape. We cannot type any data inside this tool. But when you use rectangle frame tool, you can create a rectangle shape or a square shape, and we also place inside a graphic or text. So this is the simple difference between rectangle and rectangle frame tool. The same difference is also applicable to the following commands, that is ellipse tool, used to draw circle or ellipse. Ellipse frame tool, used to draw circle or ellipse and create space holder for text and graphics. In the same way, we can create polygon tool, used to draw polygons. Polygon frame tool is a placeholder for text and graphics. After that, there is another tool called hand tool, used to scroll the page either any direction. Zoom tool, used to magnify or reduce the area of the page. So these are the important tools which we are going to learn one by one. So of course we know what is the use of scroll bar, used to move around the document. Now, and we also see that the ruler plays an important role in measurement. We can hide or show the ruler by using simple command. Click on view menu, select show ruler to show the ruler. To hide the ruler, click on view, click hide ruler. So now we try this. So go to the view menu. You can see a ruler, show or hide ruler. So now the ruler is in display. So you can select hide ruler. See, hide ruler. When you click this command, the ruler is hide. If you want to show the ruler, go to the view menu and click the show ruler. Now the ruler is displayed. So in the same way we can show or hide the ruler. After hiding and showing the ruler, now we are going to discuss about the entering the text in the document. Unlike in the word processor, we cannot directly type the text into the document. So if you want to type the text into the document, what we want to use, the most important tool, that is text tool. You just click the text tool and click anywhere inside the page area or any pasteboard area and start typing the content. So now I am going to click the pointer inside the page area. Now you can see here insertion point is blinking now. Here I just start typing the content. In the same way of open office writer and any Microsoft Word, start typing the content. Now you can see the content when it reaches the border of the page, it automatically wrap to the next line. This is called auto word wrap, which is automatically available in text block. We don't want to type any enter key for each and every line. Enter key should be used at the end of the paragraph only or the beginning of the paragraph. Now if you consider this is the last line of the paragraph, then here you can press enter key. You should not press enter key at the each line. Now you just start typing the content. Now you can see the content moves from left direction to right direction. Whenever it reaches to the border of the page, it automatically moves to the second line. In the same way you can type the content. After typing, if you want to make some editing, like see here, if you want to select the text, if you want to move the text, if you want to cut the text, if you want to paste, so then you can select the text using keyboard or mouse method. So if you want to select the text inside the text block using mouse or keyboard, these are some of the popular steps which you already learned in the open office writer. So first thing, place the insertion point before the left character and hold the mouse button and drag till the selection completed. After selection is completed, release the mouse button, the selected text gets highlighted. Now we are going to select the text by using the mouse. So first thing, click the text before where you want to select and then hold the left mouse button, drag the text. Now you can see the text is highlighting. After reach the selected selection portion, release the left mouse button. In the same way you can select the text by using keyboard. Now you want to move the insertion point to the beginning of the content, press the shift key and use the right arrow key to select the text. In the same way you can select the text whichever you want, either by using a mouse or keyboard, which is discussed here. After using this, you can move the insertion point by using the shortcut keys. So number one character to the left, shift plus left arrow, one character to the right, shift plus right arrow, one line up, shift plus up arrow, one line down, shift plus down arrow. Now here if you want to move the character to the left side of the content, press shift plus left. If you want to move the insertion point to the up one line up, then press up arrow or use down arrow to move the insertion point to the down side of the line. In the same way you can use any shortcut method also to select or move the insertion point. After selecting the text, you can delete the text or copy the text or move the text. So first thing, how to delete the text. After selecting text, press delete key or backspace key to delete the character whichever you want. So for example, now I just select this text and change the increase the size of the text. See, by using a toolbar icon, I am increasing the size of the text. After increasing, now I place the insertion point here, and if I want to delete the content left of the insertion point, I just use backspace to delete the content to the left of the insertion point. If I want to delete the content to the right of the insertion point, then I can use delete key to delete the right side content of the insertion point. So there is the two key to delete the content. One is delete key, another one is backspace key. Position the insertion point to the left of the character to be deleted, press deleted key. Position the insertion point to the right of the character to be deleted, press backspace key. So you can use these two keys to delete the content. If you want to delete the block or select the overall text, then select all the text, press delete or backspace key, or use edit arrow mark clear. For example, here if I want to delete all the content, then I use shortcut Ctrl+A to select all the content. Now I can use either delete or backspace key or go to the edit menu and press clear. Now all the content is cleared. The next command is undo command. The undo command is used to reverse the action of the last command. That means whatever the last command we applied, it is automatically cancelled when you use the undo command. The command is available under the edit menu. So if you want to cancel the last command, then use edit arrow mark undo, or shortcut key is Ctrl+Z. Now the last action is we deleted the content. Now we want to cancel the deletion. It means we can use edit or undo or Ctrl+Z to so you can see the content is undo. Now the content is cancelled. In the same way, we can remove all the content, undo the last action whatever we typed. After deleting the content and undoing the content, now we are going to see the next topic, that is cut, copy, paste. So copying and moving the text is the simple method for copying and moving text. If you want to copy any selection text, then select the text, go to the edit menu, select copy, then go to the place where you want to paste, go to the edit menu, press paste, or you can use shortcut, select the text, use shortcut Ctrl+C for copying, place the insertion point wherever you want to paste, use shortcut key Ctrl+V. Now we know how to copy the content, and then now we are going to learn how to move the content. Select the text using keyboard or move shortcut method, go to the edit, select cut. Now the content is disappeared. Now if you want to paste the content here, move the content here, then click there and then edit, paste. Now the content which was here is moved to the destination area. In the same way can be achieved by using a shortcut for moving. So for cutting the content, use Ctrl+X, for paste Ctrl+V. This is a simple thing which we learn now. After this topic, we are going to discuss about the text blocks, which we are actually using here for creating a text in the document.